Welcome back to Hidden Psyche Secrets, where we uncover the mysteries of your mind and unlock your true potential today. Have you ever slept for 8 full hours, but still woke up feeling exhausted, groggy, and completely drained of energy? We are often told that 8 hours is the magic number, but quality actually matters far more than just quantity. Your brain does not simply count the hours on the clock. Instead, it tracks biological rhythm through specific sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts approximately 90 minutes, moving through different stages that are crucial for your physical and mental restoration process. There are 2 critical stages you must understand: deep sleep for the body and REM sleep for the mind's recovery. During deep sleep, your body repairs tissues, builds bone and muscle, and strengthens your immune system to keep you healthy. Then comes REM sleep, where your brain processes memories, regulates emotions, and clears out toxins accumulated during your waking hours. If you wake up in the middle of deep sleep, you feel groggy because your brain was in repair mode. To fix this, you must master your circadian rhythm, the internal clock that dictates when you feel awake or sleepy. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day teaches your body exactly when to release melatonin. Melatonin is the natural hormone that signals your body it is time to rest, ensuring a smoother transition into sleep. When your rhythm is consistent, your body prepares to wake up before your alarm, leaving you feeling refreshed and alert. Now, let us discuss the powerful 90-minute rule, a strategy that aligns your alarm clock with your natural biological cycles. Since sleep cycles are 90 minutes long, you should aim to sleep in exact multiples of this specific time block duration. This means aiming for 4.5 hours, 6 hours, or 7.5 hours of total sleep. Waking up at the end of a cycle ensures you are in a light sleep stage, making rising much easier. Waking mid-cycle causes sleep inertia, that heavy feeling where your brain struggles to switch from deep rest to active awareness. Calculate your wake-up time backward from when you need to rise to find your perfect bedtime based on these cycles. However, timing is only half the battle. You also need a routine to prepare your body for high-quality rest. Introduce the 3-2-1 rule into your evening routine to signal your body that the day is officially over and done. 3 hours before bed, stop eating heavy meals so your body focuses on resting rather than digesting food all night. Digestion requires energy and raises body temperature, which can prevent you from entering the deep restorative stages of sleep effectively. 2 hours before bed, stop all work and stressful activities to allow your mind to decompress and release daily tension. Your brain needs time to lower cortisol levels, ensuring you do not carry anxiety or problem-solving thoughts into your dreams. 1 hour before bed, turn off all screens and electronic devices to avoid blue light exposure that disrupts melatonin production. Blue light tricks your brain into thinking it is still daytime, preventing the natural onset of sleepiness you desperately need. Once you have mastered the night, you must also conquer the morning to reset your biological clock for the next day. Within the first 10 minutes of waking up, expose your eyes to natural sunlight to trigger a release of serotonin. Serotonin wakes you up and starts a timer in your brain to release melatonin exactly 12 to 14 hours later. If natural sun is not available, bright artificial lights can serve as a substitute to jumpstart your internal daily rhythm. Finally, we must change our mindset regarding sleep, viewing it not as a luxury, but as a biological necessity. Sleeping is not being lazy. It is an active recovery mode essential for peak performance, emotional stability, and cognitive function. Just as you would not expect your phone to run without charging, do not expect your brain to function without sleep. By prioritizing cycles over hours and respecting your biological rhythm, you can achieve more energy with less time in bed. Try these methods tonight, and notice how much sharper, happier, and more productive you feel when you wake up tomorrow. Thank you for watching Hidden Psyche Secrets. Subscribe for more insights into your mind. Sweet dreams, and see you soon.